Everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're gonna show you why your ads are not showing, your Google Analytics does not work, your images are not showing up. This is a very bad thing to see on your website. I've spent a couple of months, I think a month plus. There's no income coming in. The website does not display its images. I make advertisement, I don't see any search whatever. I don't even see what they call Google Analytics does not show anything. Also, if I go to my AdSense, nothing happens. So there's no money, there's no nothing. So I'm gonna show you a site which used to make money, so it was not making nothing, and also I wonder what was happening. So I did reset site analytics site kit, but nothing happened. So let's go to Google. This is the website. You can see the website. The images are not showing up. One. If I click here, there are no ads. You get me? There's no ads, but I'm gonna show you another website whereby sorry, ads just came in now, but that's not what I'm talking about. There are no ads, but I'll show you why it was happening like that. Look at the images. There should be some ads here. Those, I think, they're injected ones, the one you saw up there, but those are not the ads I'm talking about. So I must have advertisements here. You get me? Maybe it had forgotten and stuff, but there's no ads. You can see, as you see, no advertisements, nothing. So you also, these images are being blocked out. So I'm gonna go to another website whereby Google. No, this website is called House to Stay. They have the same account. Their performance was so bad this month, I couldn't believe what was going on. So when I come here on this website, you can see, I can see adverts are here, adverts are here, ads everywhere. So if I click on view, even if I view on one, let me see if I can view on one thing, I can see the ads can be shown. It's gonna be seen this way, depending on what you click or you suggest. Let's see. As you see, there's ads here. So every page I click, there should be ads, and there are ads here. But now you can see even this big banner is here. I have another website. Let me go to that website and see if I can go in there and get you what I'm looking for. It's gonna be what's gonna be buyjosie.com. Okay. Did you mean by Josie? No. By Josie? No, I didn't mean that. I mean by Josie. It has to be BUYJ. Okay, that's the website we want. But okay, by Josie, this is the website we have. You can see also when you visit this website, let it download and we see what's going on. There should be ads on this website. You can see there are ads displayed everywhere. So now don't worry, so let's fix what we came in here for. I'm gonna show you. We're gonna go to here, and you can't believe, even I did reset my site kit, thinking that something's going on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna deactivate all plugins. I'm gonna click here on active plugins, then I'm gonna activate one by one. I know the plugin which caused the problem, but I'm gonna show you. You might find that one of yours is giving you trouble, is the one which is giving you trouble. Okay, we select all, then we unplug all, remember there was no images here. After doing that, I refresh, you can see images are back. And the next thing to see, ads, there's an ad here popping up there, and I'm gonna click on one ad. You're gonna see also, you can see the ads are back. You can see your adverts are back. So what is that? You can see all ads everywhere. So what is that plugin which is giving us a problem is I'm gonna show you the plugin. So I'm gonna start with lazy load, skip that, backup, get this one, I get this one, I get this one, I get this one, and I go to activate. No, but now that won't work for you. So what you have to do is you have to activate one by one, not everything. Okay, that is one. I'm gonna I'm gonna activate that plugin. This thing is so costly, and you can debug this yourself. Deactivate that is active. I'm gonna activate this. There's a reason why I'm skipping some. Okay, I'm gonna activate or deactivate. I'm gonna click only on inactive only. I'm gonna put this, then I activate. After activating, it should show me the inactives only. Don't want to find any issues here. Okay, why it took me here? Last 60 days, 800 and whatever. Message is sent. Okay, 700 active contacts last. Okay, okay, prevent your emails from landing spam. Okay, subscribe, join now, best way, keep. Okay, leave that alone. I wonder the plugin page put me there, so let me go back here. Go to the plugins, guys. This is the only way you can do it. It's a slow thing, but you're gonna use that to do that. Activate one by one, most important. So, but anyway, I'm forgetting to show you something. After activating, then you refresh that page. If everything is still the same, just know with none of the plugins you activated is giving you trouble. You see, everything's going well, still fine. I'm gonna go back and I get to images and I activate this. It's gonna take time, but we're gonna finish. We have 15 to go. Okay, after that you test. It's gonna take you time if you have a lot of plugins, I'm telling you, but I'm gonna give you one of the plugins which I think could be the prom. You get me? So don't worry. Let's do another one and activate that. Okay, wait, give me 2 seconds. Yeah, guys, you can see what is going on here. So now I'm gonna switch on this and also do activate, apply. Okay, after applying, I'm gonna do this, activate, apply. I know that's not the program which gave me a problem, so I just wanted to show you which, in your case it could be different, but I'm gonna show you the plugin which is giving trouble. So this is the plugin which gives trouble, this one, MP. If I activate it and I say MP, even your AdSense won't work, even your analytics won't work, so it blocks everything. So when I refresh here, I'm gonna see different. You can see the ads are gone. You can see there's no adverts anymore. And if you go to your home page, you're gonna find stress, whereby you see there's no pictures. You get me? So MP is the one which is giving trouble, guys. I'm gonna do what? maybe I will delete it, then I reinstall a new one. So but anyway, I'm gonna get all these plugins and I activate them, then I deactivate MP. So you can see, okay, every plugin is active now. So I'm gonna deactivate MP, then I see. So you're gonna see okay guys. Okay, I'm getting, even look what I got, example whatever. Let me see. It's so crazy, it's showing me things which I'm not supposed to see. Okay, okay. Guys, you saw what was going on. Let me see. Okay, leave this page. That page was giving us trouble. Let's see. Google boy. Yeah guys, activate that, deactivate that plugin, then once you're done, everything is gonna be fine. Okay, I'm gonna go back to plugins guys, and themes, appearance, plugins. Once I'm in plugins, I'm gonna take out this MP, deactivate it. After deactivation guys, everything's gonna be fine. I press this and everything is gonna be okay. It should be okay, come on. Okay, you see my plugins are back, my images are back, my ads are back, everything is back guys. You can see. So thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I know you've been losing a lot of money. I hope this helps guys. Please pass the message to other people and also help us and subscribe. So the ads are back, everything's back. Go make money guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.